In today's video, I'm going to show you how to encrypt your transit data in Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to the dashboard. Now here's the important part. Artistly AI automatically uses secure encrypted connections when you use the platform. This means your data is protected while it's being transmitted between your device and their servers. You don't actually need to manually turn on encryption, because this is already handled in the background using standard secure protocols like HTTPS. What you can do on your side is make sure you're always logging in from the official website and using a secure internet connection, especially when working with sensitive projects. If you want extra safety, avoid using public Wi-Fi when accessing your account. And that's it. That's how data security and transit encryption works in Artistly AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.